Marcel Williams here with Elliott Wave Source, #1 source for Elliott Wave technical analysis. Today is August 14th, 2013, and today I will cover a couple of key pairs going into the trading day. That's the dollar yen, euro pound, and just to take a brief look at the Aussie dollar. So start out with the Aussie dollar real quick. With the Aussie, we were looking to enter long at the 50% fib. So we said place entries at 907. Look to enter long there with stops below this ascending trend line. So we see that prices has tested that level and it started to found some support there and it started to take off. So our targets for this pair is set at 92.2. So we're just looking for our target still. Target still remains intact. And we're just waiting for this trade to play out. So we can trail the stop a bit, move the stops up to 0.905, where you're just risking 20 pips at this time. But trade still looks very good. Shift gears to the euro pound, and I just want to touch on the euro pound and the daily charts real quick to give a brief look. So initially we were trying to enter this pair short from here, but we see that it broke through. Then it tested, kind of gave us a triple top at that 0.876 level, and then it started to reverse from that point. It's currently found support at this level, so we're looking for prices to break through, and then we can take advantage of this pair going down. But as we jump on the 15-minute charts, closer look, we see that we had waves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to give us that larger wave 1, the larger cycle. Wave 2 retraced 76.4% of wave 1 as illustrated, and wave 3 had already surpassed the 100% mark at this level, but then it tested the vicinity in the end of wave 1, which would invalidate that count. So we are looking for an extension in wave 3. So targets for this pair set at 84.8. So we're looking for this pair to push towards that level, then correct to give us that wave 4, and then we'll look to go short again and take advantage of the 5th wave. So we'll look for this pair to hit that 84.8 level, and then we would then look to go long again, jump out of it at that point, collect profits, and then look to go long again as it retraces and most likely test that trend line. But the level we're looking for, once it finish this 3rd wave down, we're looking for a 23.6% retracement. We might see 38.2, but we're really looking for 23.6. So once it finished correcting, then we're looking for that level, and we will look to take advantage of the 5th wave as well. And let's just look at the dollar yen real quick. Last pair I want to touch on today. And dollar yen's pretty interesting. The overall bias for this pair is down, and you guys remember we took advantage of this pair twice. Caught it 2 times for over 200 pips both times. But with this pair, we see that we had the wave 1 followed by a 76.4% correction for wave 2, and then wave 3, the sub waves, we have 1, 2, and then this appeared as if it was 3, but we see that this wave, what would then be our wave 4, would violate the end of wave 1. So then we had to revise the count, and then that would be a subwave. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're looking for this 3 wave to complete, and then once that's completed, then we should see a 23.6 or 38.2% retracement for the wave 4 of this cycle. So we should see that, and then we'll definitely look to take advantage of that again, that wave 5 of that larger cycle. But for this smaller cycle, we can look to take advantage of this 5th wave. So prices are definitely at a good area to get short. As we see, prices did resist this 0.764% level, and this 2nd wave right here retraced slightly past the 23.6% mark. So we see price resist this level. So right now, good area to get short at 97.95 with stops at 98.4. or above 98.4, maybe above this recent high. So above 98 at 98.5 would be a good area to put a stop. So risking slightly under 60 pips, but looking for this pair to push towards 95, 96 or 95.5 would be our target on that pair. So that's the charts I'm looking at for today in today's video. Any questions or comments on them, definitely feel free to jump in the chat room, and I will gladly go over any questions you guys may have. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video and it's very helpful, and enjoy the rest of the week trading. Good luck.